write a Python program to create a function called sum all, accept a variable number of arguments and display the sum of all elements. Take the help of arbitrary parameter. Take the help of arbitrary parameter, guys. Def sum all. So let me use here pointer arguments and let me create a tuple, empty tuple. It's a empty tuple. Sum all. If you are not happy to work with here, you can work outside also. So unbound local variable, yes. Unbound local variable, yes. So where is yes? Instead of using yes, sir, here I use the a. So instead of yes, use a. Here is a. Save. So sum is 357. Sum is 357. You can create in this way also. Control X. You can create in this way also. Okay. So sum all. You can pass your parameters. You can pass your parameters like this also. Sum is 59. Sum is 59. Either by program, either on shell prompt. Okay. Same.